Hi, this is Mark Miller. I'm the Phoenix chapter president for Truth at Work, and I'm here to invite you to a June 2nd all-member and guest meeting we're having. At that meeting, you're going to be hearing about the future of Truth at Work from our presidents, Dave Holly and Ron Ewing, and the future of work in an AI age. If that interests you in any way, text me at 480-229-4960. Hope to see you there.
The answer is there's a very convenient messaging coming out of Silicon Valley, which is that if you don't get on board with this right now, you're in the permanent underclass. And I don't fully believe that because
we don't believe that at this
just
stage.
like the people in COVID that were, when the Airbnb CEO was saying, everyone's working from home. In fact, I'm writing to you from my Airbnb. Microsoft, Teams, cloud computing. Of course they wanted everybody distributed. And then they called everyone back to the office. There's the same thing that's coming out now. But I think that with the jobs, no one knows. We've been through this in society before, but the most important thing is for business leaders, and we'll talk about this on June 2nd, begin the conversation actually, I think, because this is a journey. What are we gonna do if we're wildly successful?
That's something we're not thinking about. And those are the discussions we're going to be talking about when we get together on June 2nd. Matt will be presenting, but we're going to be sitting at tables. We're going to be talking about a way forward. We're going to be talking about questions and answers, that kind of thing. So please come join us. We'd love for you to do that.